that's what we have today, and we have the shrunken steering wheel, and now we're gonna do the cabin filter, which looks actually quite easy because I just got my ass handed to me. I mean, my butt handed to me with this thing right here, and now we do the cabin filter. So, open says me. This, if you look on this side, you can go. It goes upward. You see? That's how it unlocks out of place. Okay. Push in, very easy. Push in. You even shows you where to push in, and the whole thing just drops out of your way. Now, if you do pop this out, do not panic. It's not hard at all. Just make sure they align. There's a flat spot for the most part on this thing. You can feel it. Okay. Just align it back on. You see? Can't mess it up. So don't worry about pulling it out. Now, let's get this guy out of the way and see how it works and how to get it out. These look like hinges, so it probably pops downward. Wait, hold on. Yep, these are little wing tabs. Okay. I guess no tools required. That's kind of cool. Come on. Yeah, here we go. So that's what you're doing. You're pushing this sideways. This is kind of tight because it's on over here. Very similar to the older one, but airflow downward. Do not have the car on, which it's not. And we're going to pull this guy out and say, this is a brand new truck, and that's what we're going to replace with. I like the idea it's not but cloth, but the blurriness, I don't know, man. They figured, you know what, I don't think they'll see it once. Let's do it again so they can see it twice. So slide it right back in. Look, the door closed on me. Look at this. It just helped its way back up. Nice. All right, so there you have it. And just push, and it's closed. It's kind of tight. All right, there you go. Tight is good. So back to the glove box. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Snap this back in. Thanks for watching.